Would you like to know who not to trust on YouTube? I'll give you a hint. They sell something every single time you watch them. They're always asking for money. They're always struggling, and they always change their technique year after year after year. You know who you should trust, perhaps? Somebody who's produced over 400 boat detailing videos and just shows you the way. Doesn't ask for money because he wants you to buy products from him, doesn't have an affiliate program, just wants you to learn how to do the things that he does more efficiently and better than anything that you've ever seen on YouTube. And I'm going to go ahead and stand by that because for 14 years I've asked people to show me a better way. And for 14 years nobody ever has. And for 14 years no other detailer I'm aware of reached out to DeWalt and asked them to help them build the DWP-849X. I did. I take this stuff really seriously. So seriously that at one point recently I wanted to produce a wax, a product, a sealant, a protectant for a boat that had the features that I really wanted to have in it. It needed to last and last and last and last, and it needed to repel spiders. Yeah, you heard me right. Repel spiders. In other words, they don't like your boat. They might like your neighbor's boat, which is really cool because springtime's right around the corner, and I'm pretty sure you want to get out there and boat and not waste all your time cleaning up your vinyl and your carpets and your gel coat. You just want a boat. And wouldn't it be nice if there wasn't a big spider web to just right in your face every time you open the flybridge canvas? This is your chance to try something new, and it comes from somebody who's already delivered on a promise a long time ago to make buffing a boat easier. And I keep doing it. So I just need you guys to pay attention. Check out the description. Pieces.